Close your eyes for a moment, feel the chair beneath you, hear the sounds around you, taste the air. Everything seems undeniably real, doesn't it? But what if I told you that every sensation, every memory, every perceived truth is nothing more than an intricate illusion? What if your entire existence, our entire universe, is merely a meticulously crafted computer program run by an intelligence far beyond our comprehension? This isn't science fiction, it's a profound question that physicists, philosophers, and even Silicon Valley titans are now seriously contemplating. Are we living in a simulation? The simulation hypothesis is a thought experiment that suggests our reality, including the Earth and the entire universe, might in fact be an artificial simulation akin to a sophisticated virtual reality. It's a concept that challenges the very foundation of what we understand about existence. While it sounds like a plot from a blockbuster movie, its roots actually delve deep into ancient philosophy and are now being bolstered by advancements in physics and computing. Millennia ago, the ancient Greek philosopher Plato pondered a similar idea with his allegory of the cave. He imagined prisoners chained in a cave, seeing only shadows projected onto a wall, believing these shadows to be their sole reality. Only one prisoner escapes, sees the sun, and understands the true nature of their former world. The simulation hypothesis is a modern scientific incarnation of this timeless philosophical query. What if the sun is merely another layer of code and our cave is even more complex than Plato could have ever imagined? Enter the bizarre world of quantum mechanics, the bedrock of our understanding of the universe's smallest constituents. Here, reality itself seems to behave strangely. Particles don't have definite states until they are observed, existing as a wave of probabilities until measured. It's as if the universe renders reality only when we look at it, a phenomenon reminiscent of a video game engine that only renders the scene directly in front of the player to save computational power. Could our universe be employing similar computational shortcuts? Quantum mechanics also introduces the concept of fundamental limits. The Planck length, for instance, is the smallest possible unit of length beyond which current physics breaks down. It's the universe's inherent resolution limit. If space and time aren't truly continuous but rather discrete like pixels on a screen, it strengthens the argument for a simulated reality. Such a pixelated universe would be a highly efficient way for a simulator to manage resources, just as a digital image is made of finite pixels, not infinite detail. Then there's the astonishing fine-tuning of the universe, the fundamental physical constants, the strength of gravity, the electromagnetic force, the mass of electrons, are calibrated with such precision that if they were even slightly different, life as we know it would be impossible. It's like finding a radio dial perfectly tuned to an obscure frequency on the first try. Many scientists argue this extreme fine-tuning is either an incredible coincidence, evidence of a multiverse, or a compelling suggestion that these parameters were set by design like variables in a vast cosmic program. The universe at its core seems to be deeply mathematical. From the orbits of planets to the structure of DNA, mathematical principles underpin everything. Galileo famously said the universe is written in the language of mathematics. This inherent mathematical structure, the elegance and order we observe, could be interpreted as the underlying code of a simulation, a set of algorithms defining the rules of our reality. What if information itself, rather than matter or energy, is the most fundamental building block? The most compelling logical argument for the simulation hypothesis comes from Oxford philosopher Nick Bostrom in 2003. He proposed a trilemma stating that at least one of these three propositions must be true. 1. All civilizations go extinct before reaching technological maturity capable of creating robust reality simulations. 2. Technologically mature civilizations are not interested in creating such simulations. Or 3. We are almost certainly living in a simulation. Bostrom argued that if the first two are false, meaning advanced civilizations exist and enjoy running simulations, then the number of simulated realities would vastly outnumber the single base reality, making it statistically almost certain that we are in one of the simulations. Consider the trajectory of human technological progress. In a mere few decades, we've gone from simple calculators to supercomputers capable of simulating complex worlds and even rudimentary consciousnesses. Imagine a civilization millions or billions of years more advanced than us. Their computational capabilities would be staggering, almost godlike. They could easily possess the power to simulate entire universes complete with sentient beings without even straining their resources. Why would they create such simulations? One common theory is ancestor simulations. An advanced civilization might want to run simulations of their ancestors to understand their history, their social dynamics, or even test different historical outcomes. If they run many such simulations, and the beings within those simulations develop consciousness and simulate their own ancestors, the number of simulated realities would quickly dwarf the single base reality. The odds would overwhelmingly favor us being a simulated entity within one of these countless nested realities. Could there be glitches in the matrix? People report phenomena like déjà vu, the Mandela effect, where large groups remember something differently than documented reality, or strange coincidences that feel too perfect. While often explained by psychology and memory biases, some theorists ponder if these are momentary rendering errors, inconsistencies, or even intentional resets within the simulation. They are subtle, fleeting, and never quite provable, much like a tiny bug in a complex piece of software. Of course, there are strong counter-arguments. The energy requirements to simulate an entire universe down to the quantum level would be astronomical, perhaps exceeding the capacity of any physical reality. Furthermore, an infinite regress problem arises. If we're simulated, what about our simulators? Are they also simulated? This chain could go on indefinitely, which some find logically unsatisfying. The sheer complexity also suggests an almost impossible feat of programming. If we are in a simulation, who are the programmers? Are they a future version of humanity looking back? Are they an entirely alien intelligence, or could they be something we might conventionally call God? This question touches on the very nature of creation and our place within it. The identity and motives of our potential creators remain one of the deepest mysteries, leaving us to wonder if we are merely data points in a grand experiment or characters in a cosmic story. The implications of the simulation hypothesis are profound. If our reality is simulated, what does that mean for free will? Are our choices truly our own, or are they predetermined lines of code? Does our consciousness have a deeper origin, or is it merely an emergent property of complex algorithms? These questions challenge our sense of autonomy and identity, forcing us to reevaluate the very essence of what it means to be alive. Scientists are even proposing ways to look for evidence. Some suggest searching for statistical anomalies in cosmic rays, or looking for computational limitations like bitrate errors in the universe's fabric. Could we detect an upper limit on energy of cosmic ray particles, or a fundamental pixelation of spacetime beyond the Planck length? Perhaps the universe's inherent complexity is simply too great, or perhaps we are simply not yet advanced enough to discern the code from the reality. But does it truly matter if our reality is simulated or not? Even if our universe is a grand simulation, the experiences, emotions, and connections we forge are real to us. Our pursuit of knowledge, our capacity for love, our struggles and triumphs, these hold inherent value regardless of their ultimate substrate. The beauty of a sunset, the complexity of a human mind, the vastness of the cosmos, these remain awe-inspiring, challenging us to live fully and seek meaning within the reality we perceive. The simulation hypothesis forces us to confront the very nature of reality and our place within it. It's a tantalizing thought, an ultimate philosophical puzzle that blurs the lines between science and speculation. Is the universe a grand cosmic stage, or a meticulously coded simulation? The answer for now remains hidden within the fabric of existence. What are your thoughts? Do you believe we live in a simulation, or is our reality undeniably real? Share your theories in the comments below, and remember, keep questioning everything, for the truth is often stranger than fiction, especially at the unknown frequency.